Rolling and huge like a ship so wide, he waves his tail with a bubbly high. Bloop-bloop, who's that fish star, hooray? The ocean sings la 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 play. A jellyfish floats like a soft balloon, and the octopus waves to you soon. Bloop-bloop, who's that fish star, hooray? The ocean sings la 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 play. A jellyfish floats like a soft balloon, and the octopus waves to you soon. Fish with button eyes, she jumps through bubbles and twirls and flies. Like blue jelly with a glowing dome, shines like a nightlight in her foam home. Bloop-bloop, who's that? Spiky sea urchin, though he's prickly, he's still fun. Seahorse spins with a curly tail, while turtle dances slow and pale. Urchin rolls on the sand, don't poke him, just wave your hand. Pink sea star, sleepy and bright, she dreams of waves in the soft moonlight. Ice green turtle, calm and slow, tells sea tales that gently flow. Who's that? So many friends, the ocean's full of fun that never ends. We swim, we laugh, we play, we sing. Underwater joy is everything. Stars asleep, fishy yawns in the coral deep. Let's all dream of the sea so bright, where bloop 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 begins the night.